We are now on the other large two-compartment sink with no agitation, which formerly had this type of water flow. We've changed that now to a high-pressure situation to fill these sinks rapidly. Time is money. Now, so you're washing in this basin. You're washing pineapple. How about the squash, the big squash? Are they washing the big squash?
Yeah, yeah.
Also, can they wash watermelons here?
Yeah, watermelon.
Watermelon, and what else?
Watermelon, kabucha, banana.
How do you say that? Kabucha squash.
Kabucha.
Kabucha squash. They're washing those big squash over there. And sweet potatoes?
Sweet potato too.
Sometimes carrot or no?
Carrot too, yeah.
Okay.
Carrot,
So
potato.
what we want to do is wash the carrots in there. No?
How many carrots?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And right, okay.